Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair plummeted 1.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 3.2% in the last session, after gaining as much as 4.3% during the session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The gold-dollar pair gained 1.5% in the last session, after rising as much as 2.3% during the session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 2.4% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold prices edged up, helped by a softer dollar, although prices moved in a tight range as investors maintained caution ahead of US inflation data and the Federal Reserve's policy decision. The dollar was firm leading into the release of US inflation data and the final Federal Reserve meeting of the year, with investors waiting to update interest rate outlooks. US prosecutors are considering criminal charges against crypto exchange Binance and individual executives, including founder and CEO Changpeng Zhao, Reuters reported, citing 2 people.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The Eurozone's industrial production will be released at 1000 hours GMT. The US Fed's monetary policy statement at 1900 hours GMT. The US Fed interest rate decision at 1900 hours GMT. Finland's consumer price index will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's consumer price index at 0700 hours GMT. The UK's core consumer price index at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.